And oh, the mailman's here. Yay!
Good morning, Rachel. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning. Morning. So I am going to a store I don't like a lot. So I need to pick up. I sold a Kindle, and I need an envelope for it, like one of those padded ones. It's in a box, but I need it. There we go. It's in a box, but I need to put it in a padded type envelope. So I'm going to get one of those here. They also have, I saw a vlogger I follow online, and you know the AirPods that Apple sells, they're like $149. Well, apparently they sell some here that are not AirPods. They look like them and they're Bluetooth, and I want them because I listen to a lot of books on at home on my phone, and when I'm thrifting, but I don't like using the wired ones because I'm spoiled. So I'm gonna do that. Uh-oh, he's crying. Okay, so here are the padded mailers I came for. They're like right in the front. Maybe I get this big one right here. Actually, I don't really need the big one. This is actually really cushiony, and it costs $2.47. I don't sell many things like this, so it really doesn't make sense for me to buy a lot of them. But if you do sell a lot of things like that, I would recommend just having them on with you. Ryan is not having Walmart early this morning, so we are getting in and out of here. Okay, I'm in the headphone section, and I'm not seeing what I'm looking for at all. Okay, guys, so what I'm doing today is going to the thrift store with $20. I got cash back today with the $20, and I've never spent with 20 buckaroos. Okay, so
buckaroos. I just said buckaroos.
Anyway, I'm going into the store today with $20, and I'm going to turn it into at least 100. That's the goal. So the goal is to turn this $20 into at least 100. I'm pretty sure I can turn it into more than that. On the agenda today is my son going to get his tooth fixed. Modus had a chipped tooth for a little bit, and I think he's getting it fixed today. I say think because we've been through down this road before, and then when we get there, it's like, oh, not, you know. So hopefully today is the day, and we could be done with it. So let's go see what we can do. We're at Goodwill. We're gonna go inside, Ryan, and we're going to buy some things. Oh, are you ready? Are you ready to go buy the things? Yes, he said he's ready to go buy the things, okay? Are you ready to go buy the things? Are you ready to go buy all the things? Rachel just had a hash... Yay! Rachel just had a hash brown. With that being said, let's go in here, y'all. Let's see. Look at these. It says Z coil. It's $5.99. Interesting. I don't know. I'm in the men's section. I don't do men's items, but I will tell you from experience that men's items seem to be a little bit more lucrative. So I'm gonna look these up. I'm gonna show you how I look them up. I have videos actually on how I actually look. Oh, there's more. Okay, while I'm here, I'm gonna walk you through this with me, and we're gonna look up those Z coil sneakers and see. I don't know. They could be nothing. They could be something. Okay, so Z coil items are a thing. And guess what? I'm gonna get them, and there's another pair over there. So I'm gonna run and get that other pair also. This challenge might be a little easier than I thought. Now they're not in the best condition. I don't know what they're made for. They're $5.99. Okay. Also, so I got two of those. So I already got, that's $12. And hold on. Ryan lately in thrift stores has not been happy. So yeah, pre-owned walking shoes. Let's continue, but I think this is going to be a quick one. Okay. Yeah, the men's section really is, you can really go, these are Columbia shoes. They're $9.99. I'm not going to pick them up. These are Rockport. I'm not going to get those. These look like golf shoes, but joy. So let's keep on walking. I think I'm gonna leave the men's section now. Oh, I'm not. I'm gonna go to the jacket. I've already exceeded my budget of $20 though. Sometimes you'll find things like this. Okay, so I'm done. Here is my cart. This is going to be 2 separate hauls. So the items I got for my challenge today are going to be under there. And I'm going to run through how much they actually cost.
Stay in the frame, Raven with your big head.
The other items I got, I'll do in a separate haul video. Turned the AC off very quickly. Just left out of the Goodwill. So when I get home, I will show you like a, oh my gosh, guys, like thrifting is no joke. It's very sweaty and it's very hot here in Florida. But anyway, I was in the store for an hour and a half. Of course, like I told you, I did buy some other things, which I will do another haul video for that stuff because I don't want this video to like be drawn out with all extra types of stuff. So what we got were I got 3 pairs of shoes. And what I will tell you is this. When I first started reselling on eBay, I have to turn the air on. Sorry, hopefully the sound is not too bad. Okay, when I first started on eBay, I thought and kind of was taught through self-teaching that, you know, more was better. You know, buy all these cheaper items and list them and list, and then they will sell. But for me, that might work for other people, but I have 6 children and I cannot list 50 things a day. I mean, I can, but I choose not to list 50 things a day. So the approach I am giving to you, if you're watching this, is to maybe spend a little bit more for something that will give you more value and you won't have to work as hard later. I'm gonna leave it here because my battery is blinking for some reason. I don't even know. I didn't even realize it was dying, but I'm glad I left when I did. So we'll talk to you guys later, and I'm going to show you the comps and show you what I project to get from that $20.30. I went over 30 cents, yes, sale today at the Goodwill. Alright, so see you later. Hey Rachel, say hi. Say hey, we're back home. We're back home, back from thrifting and everything else. So I don't know if I brought it up. I think I brought up the fact that my son was supposed to be getting his tooth fixed, but of course, in his tooth fashion, it did not get fixed today. He was in a lot of pain, so they think it's going to need a root canal before it actually can be fixed. So now we have to go and do that.
Womp womp womp.
Rachel is like, she's my girly. She's my girly girl. Okay. The shoes that I got are not in perfect condition. They had a well enough resale value that I found that I figured it would be profitable to buy them. Right, Ryan? Right in good condition. They are MBTs. These were also in the men's section, but they were not men's shoes. These were $5.99, and they are like perfect. Yes, perfection. I'm sorry, $6.99. I lied. It says men's shoes, but they are not men's. I don't believe these are men's, guys. Like, tell me in the comment section if you think these are men's, but I'm pretty sure they are women's sandals. What to do is I'm going to show you the screen of what I project them to sell for. Of course, it could be more, it could be less. You just never know. But I'm going to see if I can complete this challenge by looking at the comp. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you, I was going to pull up the Z-Coil shoes that I found today at Goodwill and show you the comps for them. Of course, I started talking, and the babies are coming because they think I'm talking to them, but I'm not. I'm talking to you. So let me finish this really quick. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to find comps. I think, did I already click it? No. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this area here. It's called sold items. Okay, so when I click on these sold items, it's going to tell me what has sold from this the Z coil shoes. So Rachel, I need you to stop crying. The people are going to hear you. So what I did was I pulled up the Z coil shoes. New, they're selling for $99.95. You can see that here. Phone's ringing, like really, like when I'm doing nothing, no one calls me. Okay, so these look very similar to the ones that I found. They sold, when you see a slash through there, they were listed for $60, but they did not sell for $60. They accepted a best offer. So let's just go for, I'm going to list them for, I'm going to say $70 plus shipping. I have 2 pairs of those, so that's $70, and the $70, which is $140 plus shipping, which would already beat my goal of $100. And that's only 2 pairs of shoes that I found today, guys. Even if I did $60, $60 and $120, even if I accepted $50, that's still $100 off the 2 pairs of shoes. Because I'm going to pull up the other pair of shoes that I have. Oh my goodness gracious, which are the MBTs. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to search MBT sandals and women's shoes, because like I said, I really think they look like women's shoes. And I paid $6.99 for these. Rachel, please. Okay, the MBT sandals in excellent condition. So what I'm going to do is go down again. Oh, I already pulled up the soles for some reason. These, like I said, they really look like they were not even worn. Like there is no sign of any tread, like nothing. So as you can see, a pair sold. These sold right here for $48.50. They're slashed through, which means the best offer was accepted. I did pay $7 for them. So I'm gonna go ahead and list them. These went on auction. I'm going to go ahead and list them for about $45 plus shipping and go ahead and accept the best offer. So if you're doing your math there, that's about $60 for one pair, $60 for another pair, and what did I just say, $40 for the other pair. Okay, hey guys, I look a hot mess as always. Now, I just showed you my screen of how I came up to the amount that I was planning on selling the items for. Now, so I have $167 as my total. Of course, you have to subtract the price that you paid for your item. So that's $20.10. Okay. Is it? No, it's not. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try this again. That's going to leave you with $144.90 in profit from buying those 3 items. Me listing 50 items is just not tangible anymore. You see this on her foot? I bought her those shoes, and they like not good for her ankle, so I'm gonna have to let her wear socks. We gotta go because I have a baby crying, so I have to tend to him and finish up with her. So see you in a few minutes. Bye. Oh, Mel is here. I got a return. We don't like returns, but I got one. Ryan, you stink. You need a diaper change. What are you doing? Okay, so my day is winding down now. I am at a basketball game, actually at the rec center in front of the basketball game because it is raining outside, as you can see. And I don't want to get out the car because it's raining. My hair's already wet. That's my mom calling. She seems to always call me when I'm vlogging all the time. She must have like a sensory or something. Like, she's doing something. Let me call her. Let me answer this. Yeah. You in my chair? Yeah, I got this chair today from Goodwill, and Rachel has taken over it. Yes, she thinks it's her. Can you say goodnight? Can you say goodnight? Say goodnight. Okay, see you next time. Please don't hit me in the face. Bye. Say see you next time. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Probably tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Right? Yeah, she said like, comment, and subscribe. She said bye-bye. Say bye-bye. See you next time. Bye.